Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, today I get to share with you an unboxing for the LFL Lizi June 2018 card kit. Your kit will arrive in a 12 by 12 box this month. We got some cut aparts in here, but here it is. I'm just going to take everything out and then we're going to take a look. Now your kits will always come in two bags. You get one bells and whistle bag and then you get one main bag. So we're going to take a look at the main bag first. This month it's in a, like I said, a 12 by 12 bag because you get cut aparts, which is wonderful. So sometimes it comes in an 8.5 by 11 bag, but this month we get some cut aparts. Now these are your cardstocks, great for card bases. You get a yellow, a gray, a pink, a blue, a alcohol marker friendly white, and then you also get some pearlish finished specialty cardstock, and then you also get a piece of mirror cardstock, which I tucked under really fast because my hair is in a messy bun right now and I just didn't think you want to see that. Okay, now you also, here's your 12 by 12 sheets. This one is just pattern paper, cute little images on here. On the back side you get a real pretty rainbow, and then you get this sheet of 9 cut aparts. So a lot of fun little images that will fit on your card base beautifully. On the reverse side, you get some pattern paper with some cute little buttons. And then you get this cut apart sheet that has 6 larger cut aparts. Real pretty and fun. And then if you flip this over, it has some more pattern paper. Okay, now this month you also get some 6 by 6 pattern papers. These are single-sided from Lawn Fawn actually this month. This is the Gotta Have Gingham pattern paper. You get, like I said, 12 sheets and a lot of soft, real pretty pastel colored gingham patterns here. So there we go. Look forward to using this. Now next we have a chipboard sticker sheet. This is a, I believe it is a, I want to say a 5 or 6 by 12 inch chipboard sheet. So you get plenty of chipboard stickers, but you also, not just crafty themed, but you get some variety. You get a camera on there, some pencils, you get some flowers. So that's really fun, and the images are perfect for your card bases too. Now you also get some stickers. You get 2 sticker sheets that coordinate with the pattern paper and with your chipboard. Now Lizi informed us that there is actually a full set that you can purchase that has 8 stickers in there. Well, what Lizi's did this month is she's divided those stickers between each of the kits. So the ones I show you here might not be the ones that you get. But you get some purple Love from Lizi peel-offs, and then this is so cute. It's the Love from Lizi stamp set that you'll get. Now Lizi herself drew these, which I thought was fantastic, and they create really cute little ladies that you can color in and fancy up. They have earrings and necklaces and glasses, so that's going to be fun to play with. And then also exclusive to this month's kit is a Love from Lizi stencil. The stencil is called Pretty Plaid, and it has different width of lines on there that you can create a real fun plaid effect. Now we already jumped into the bells and whistle bag. You always get some Nouveau crystal drops. This one here is liquid mercury, and it's a real pretty pearly gray. And my buddy's just been sitting here the whole time. I just love him. His name's Turbo, but he's just watching me. Now also in the bells and whistle bag you get some real pretty heart gems here. They have adhesive backing, and I'm just going to place everything on my gray cardstock, that way you can see. Now you also get 3 little charms. These are metal charms that have engraving on there that says made with love, and I thought those were so cute. And then you also get 3 pre-made purple gingham bows, which are cute. So there's your little bows. Okay, now here we're going to take a look at the ribbon. This is real pretty sheer ribbon, and it's about 1 inch thick, and it's outlined with some real pretty satin purple hearts. And then you get some real thin purple gingham ribbon. You get a measuring tape that's a white measuring tape ribbon that's cute. And then these are the same. You get a blue and a white sheer ribbon with silver accent. So those are all your ribbons for the kit this month. And then you get a bag of sequins. This sequin mix is called Midnight Lagoon. Real pretty teals and grays and blues. And it's a sample bag. And then you also get 3 doilies. These are actually crochet doilies, which are so cute. So you get 3 different kinds. Real pretty. Now, in this month's kit, you get 6 dies. Now, all of these dies are buttons, which go perfectly with the theme. So you get 5 smaller ones, and then you get a real pretty heart button, or not a heart, a flower button. But I die cut them out. I wanted to show you how cute they are. But there they are. So you get 2 flowers, oblong, and then 3 circles. So those are your dies. Now this is everything that comes in this month's kit. I will leave links below, as always, in the description area in case you're interested in Lizi's kits. They do sell out quite fast, so if you're interested, I'd suggest jumping on it or a kit subscription. But I am so looking forward to playing with this kit. Look forward to making 10 cards, so keep a lookout for that. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. I wish you a fantastic day, and we'll see you again soon.